Hello, good day. My name is Poypoypoy. Today, let's talk about concat method in JavaScript. So, what is concat? Concat is a method takes one or more arrays as arguments and return a new array that includes all the elements from the original array followed by the elements from the additional array in the order that they were provided. Let's create a sample so we can explore more about concat and how or when we can use when we use the concat. So first, I'll teach you how to run the code in our terminal. So I used code runner to run our code in our terminal, and let's create a concat.js file here, and then since concat is combining a two or more array, so let's create a first array. Uh, let's call it fruits, and then inside of this array, we have orange and apple. For the fruits number two, um, we have a grape and let's say orange. Okay, so um, using the concat method, we can combine this fruit 1 and fruit 2. So fruit 1 and and let's put concat, and then inside of the parameter of concat we insert concat sorry fruits 2 inside of this one. And let's console that like our all fruits, and let's see what is the output of this. Oh, what happened? Okay, let's save this one. I forgot to save. Sorry. So as you can see here, the two array combine in one array. As a definition of the concat, um, it combines two or more arrays and returns a new array. So here we have our one array. So what if we only have a one array and we have a single apple fruit here, or a specific food, specific fruit. Let's call this banana. Yeah, we can use concat to to combine this string inside of our fruit. So if we run this code, as you can see here, we have orange, apple, and banana. So for today's video, we learned about what is concat and how where can we use the concat. So concat used to if we want to combine two or more array or even a string in a single array. So thank you for watching. And if you have a clarification or you have a better another definition, or if you have suggestion, you can comment in our comment section. Thank you and bye bye.